Hey guys, I went to a cruise in Alaska on the Norwegian Sun, and now I'm going to give you a tour of the Norwegian Sun. Mostly because I'm going on it for 10 nights to the Canary Islands soon, and I want to get a ship tour out to everyone who's going on the cruise. Hello, I am on the Norwegian Sun, and we're going to take a ship tour from top to bottom. This is also a ship tour of the Norwegian Sky, the Sun's sister ship. Let's go. Start on deck 12, and first we're gonna walk around to the entrance. We are gonna start the tour on deck 12. It's a windy day, so I've kept as much natural audio as I could. Let's go up to the deck 13, the sun deck. And you can see that on this cruise, it was a freezing cold, windy day in Alaska, so the sun deck was absolutely empty. But you can go up there and, sun by yourself. And going back down the stairs. And we will head inside. And you can see, initially this is the restaurants, the specialty restaurants. Cagney's over here. You see, it's very fine dining, as you would expect. This is teppanyaki. This is where the teppanyaki. You see, they have the presentation lunches in there, where they make your food in front of you. So, going through. Where's this? And now we're at Los Lobos. This is Los Lobos, which is a high quality Mexican food. You see, it's very small. It's possible they built the ship before they had all the restaurant choices finalized. As we cross from Los Lobos, you see there are elevators and stairs, and we go to the bistro. The bistro is the French dining for Norwegian. You see, it's very classy and nice. This is the French restaurant. Definitely one of my favorites. We have the sports court, basketball. And here we have Chef's Bar, which is actually more popular as the smoking location. Yes. If you ever want to get to know people, have a cigarette with them. And sometimes it's open, which is not all the time. Yes. Oh yeah. Carrying on. This is another sun deck. You can see it's crowded and wonderful. And you can see we have the chapel. Let's go through the chapel. Through the chapel we have Spinnakers. Spinnakers is where all the karaoke is. It's where the latitude party is. It's also a very nice observation lounge, as you can see as we go more towards the front. There are excellent views of the sea. They have live music here from time to time. And views of the sea. And the bar. And apparently snacks. What's up? Hi, how are you? Good. Doing a ship tour.
You do what?
I'm filming a ship tour.
Oh.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Make sure you subscribe so you get a lot more content both about the sun, my Canary Islands cruise, and also a lot of video that I have left from the Prima. Subscribers would help this channel a ton. Can't thank you enough. Hidden on deck 12 are additional hot tubs. And they're less, they're more private than the ones out front in the middle. Now we are on deck 11. And you see that we have the pool, and we have the hot tubs, and sometimes there's like music, just not now because it's terrible outside. Hello, and these are friends, and they have a drink page. I'll talk to you later. My friend's one of the hot tubs. We will continue our tour. You can see this elevator goes all the way down to the floor. Oh, look, it looks like I found the spa gym. I would never go here myself, but, you know, some people might. And look at this big gym. This, I'm sure, is where they do yoga classes. And here's cardio equipment. And it looks like there are dumbbells over there. Not the biggest gym I've seen, but it's okay, because you won't be here. Quick side note, guys. Apparently, I went to the aerobics area, and there's a whole weight room that I missed. Like I said, I didn't go there. But it's probably like all the gyms on the Norwegian ships, which are great. And we're going back outside. We have Topsiders, the outdoor bar. You can see during the day it is not busy. but in the evening it will be busier. We have outdoor seating. But if we go this way, this is actually Moderno. During the day, it works as a pizza kitchen. And we go to the sports bar. Normally, this is the Oceans. For some reason, it's called the sports bar on this ship, but it is the Irish pub, and this is a 24/7 bar. They have food all the time, and then we go to, they also have sports on the TV. We go to the Great Outdoors, which is the outside buffet. You see they have food. We'll take a look at the food selections. So other than cold stuff, we'll go buns, hamburgers, hot dogs, mac and cheese, chili, fruit, and desserts. You probably want to look at more of the desserts. They're actually pretty darn good. So one of those ones on the right today. There's free coffee, water, and flavored water. Usually, I mean, that's pretty good. So, this is the Great Outdoors. It is outdoor seating. It's very nice. This is the outdoor bar. You see only the most beautiful people sit at the outdoor bar. And it's very nice. We have more food in there. Walking around. More food. Same food. And then we have the buffet. The buffet is pretty typical if you've ever been on other Norwegian ships. It's going to be, this is the best staff.
Video. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you. Hi. They're friendly here. This is the flavored juices. They're very good. Tropical mango and strawberry kiwi and lemonade. It's flavored with water, I guess. But inside the buffet, they have more options than in the outdoor buffet. You see they have. Quick note, guys. I'm going to be running through the buffet. I'm going fast, so if you want to look at the food or read the signs, pause it. We'll go up here so you can read them. Good. We have soup. We have desserts. We have fruit. We have sandwiches. We have freshly cut pig and other selections. There's more international selections. We see some Sydney Indian. Let's read some signs. See the food. Getting out of the buffet. Oh yes, the most important thing, we have fajitas today during lunch. There's also the creperie, so the crepe stand, and also the ice cream stand. You see they have sprinkles and M&Ms. And over there is the ice cream cones. All the food here is free, except for in the first restaurants I showed you. Now we're back outside, and I'm going to go downstairs. We're now on deck 7. On deck 7, you can see a lady will drop a bowl. And we have the theater, which I can show you. Deck 7 is the balcony entrance to the theater. You can see the theater and here. But we're not going to tour the theater on 6. But they have full bar service in the theater. Deck 7 is the floor with all of the shops. So as we walk through, you can buy all sorts of things. Jewelry. And we have perfumes and other things. This is also the shop where you buy anything that you forgot. Sunglasses. A lot of times I'll forget sunglasses at most of my shops, most of my trips. But I'm sure it's cheaper to buy them at a port. This is also where you'll get your ship souvenirs, t-shirts, dolls, glasses. And they also have candy. Fantastic. Walking through the shop, you see more higher end things such as watches, jewelry, and purses, etc. And of course, wine and more candy. And liquor. This is a duty-free shop. You can also buy cartons of cigarettes. And we're out at the shop, and now we have watches and a safe. Now we're gonna go through the casino. This is the casino. It is a typical NCL casino. They have hold'em, roulette, 5-card stud, etc. Also on deck 7, we have the champagne bar. That'll complete deck 7. This is the jogging track. and it's actually a good one. It's a full loop out here, a full walk around the ship. A lot of people come here to get good views of the water. And you can see we're really booking it today. Trying to go all the way to Canada, Victoria, Canada. So, leaving the gym to the running track. We'll go back inside. And on deck 6, we have the art gallery, and they have a t-shirt special today. And this is the Texas Duty store. We're not gonna go in there. This is the photo gallery and photography studio. You can buy all the prints of everything you have. It's also the cruise next desk and where you go as a Latitudes member. Oh, we'll do deck 5 as well. The Bliss Lounge is where they have a lot of activities, including trivia and game shows. See, there's always a lot of people in here.
Who had a massive hit in 1966 with Mustang Sally?
I don't know the trivia, it's old music trivia. You can see we have another game show area here. This is the bar called the Windjammer. Not to be confused with the Windjammer Cafe on Royal Caribbean. We have the Havana Club, which is just to the back of the Windjammer. It's a pretty chill club, and nobody knows where it is, by name at least. So, and that's fantastic. Here's where you can get your photos you've taken.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to the summer for our beach.
And here you can see they have the library. At the library, they have books you can check out. They also have daily puzzles and games, Sudoku, crossword, etc. And they have a study or a game room. It's generally pretty relaxing. A lot of board games in there. They do have free board games you can also get in the library. Then you can see we have another entrance to the theater here. But we're not going to go in there because we already saw the theater. And you can see, so it's kind of odd. You can only get to this restaurant that's on deck 5 by walking through deck 6. So this is the Seven Seas restaurant. It's one of the complimentary restaurants. They have a menu that changes every day. And they also have some standards they have every day. The most important thing about deck 5 is the Starbucks. This is where all the good cafes are.
Hello.
And it's a Starbucks. They don't have chai though, which is sad. You have chai now? I guess they have chai now. Good. They have a lot of live music here. It's a pretty chill area, but they have pianos, sometimes other music. You see they have the art gallery and champagne auction. But here is this excursions desk and guest services. At short excursions, they can help you pick out what you want to do at the stops. At guest services, they'll help you figure out any issues with your bill. And that's the same with onboard credit desk. And this completes our tour. Thank you. That was a little tour. Thanks so much for watching.